Hi, welcome to my channel. So as you know, last 3 days back we experimented on this bitter gourd. So where we see this is fully infested with fungus. You see the leaves getting dried up, and initially it was yellow and later converted to brown color. And you see lot of bitter gourds here, luckily, and there are a lot of buds as well. So the bud formation is good, but if you see the leaves, so it's a concerning thing. Okay, so we experimented couple of things last week. Okay, so one is we made holes, as you are seeing, okay, in the soil, so that if any excess water is there, there will be no problem for the oxygen to enter into the plant roots. So we ensured that we dug the holes in the soil, and we ensured that there will be sufficient oxygen supply to the plant roots. So that's not a concern now. And the second one is we also sprayed that 3G formula. We applied 3G formula. So 3G is ginger, garlic and green chili. We made a paste out of that. We mixed up with water. We filtered that, and that water we sprayed last time. But if you see here, there is not much difference, and I'm not satisfied, okay, with the result which you are seeing now. Still, because I removed a majority of these dried leaves, but still we are seeing leaves dried up. So let us see what we can experiment now, because it's a continuous learning for us, since we don't have the background of terrace gardening. So we are experimenting one by one, okay, along with you all. So we all are urban farmers, and we are not having any background of this agriculture. Okay, so as an urban farmer, let us collaborate, share our views, and move forward. Okay, so now today what I am going to do is I prepared this liquid, what you are seeing. This is with neem oil, and you see this, there is a detergent also added to this. So that can be the dishwasher liquid or the soap detergent. Okay, you can add anything. Okay, so the neem oil I mixed 10 ml for this 500 ml of water. Okay, so let us spray this and see how it will work. So coming to this neem oil, so there is an advantage of using this neem oil. We know a lot of people will tell neem oil is very good for plants and all. So if you ask me what is there in this neem oil, okay, one thing is there is a chemical compound called azadirachtin. Azadirachtin is good in spoiling the gut of these insects and the pests, so that it will enter into that digestive system and it will spoil the entire system. So this chemical compound is very good in terms of the pests will not be able to survive later once they consume this liquid of the spray, which I am going to use it now. So it will not harm if any insect or any pest sits on the plant leaves. Okay, only this will act when it eats this liquid. Okay, when the liquid enter into its system, digestive system, then it will spoil the entire system. So there will be no further development of that pests or insects. Okay, so now let us see if it works on the fungus also, because we understand that neem oil is very good in fatty acids, vitamin E, triglycerides, and antioxidants and calcium as well. Okay, so let us see, let us wait for 3 days, because last 3 days back we sprayed that 3G formula, and now I am spraying this neem oil here. Okay, let us see. So when you are experimenting for the first time, ensure that you add little quantity of detergent or neem oil, so later you can alter that measurement, okay, whatever you are applying. So you see here a lot of buds are coming up, and yeah, see here this small bud. Only concern is the leaves dried up. So let us see how this will work. So we'll wait for 3 more days again, and then again review, okay, how this will work. Okay, I am spraying like this. So our objective is that this leaf should not be in this color. Okay, it should turn to green, not be yellow or brown. Okay, and ideally we should not apply this during hot sun. So if there is a possibility to do that either in the morning or in the evenings, okay, when sun is not there. So one more thing I will tell you here. So this is a shady area we have, and so last time we applied ginger, garlic and green chili. So this chili plant, okay, so if you see here, there is a white powdery mildew. Okay, mildew, this is spoil the leaf completely and spoil the entire plant. So I sprayed ginger 3G formula here, but if you see the result is not that amazing. Okay, so still you are seeing this powdery substance, okay, on the plant leaves. If you need to turn the leaf backward and see, okay, the downside of the leaves you see this powdery mildew, it is called. Okay, this kind of insect you say. Okay, so let us apply this neem oil. Okay, let us spray this neem oil to this ginger also and see how the result will be. I am applying here.